Hello everybody and welcome on this new gold deeper analysis video from Extreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So again my friends, before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly share the video. Also, I would like to remind everybody here about the gold. It has actually reached historical levels, and so far we really don't know what will gonna happen with the gold in the upcoming days. We are doing here of course the best we can to analyze it, but again remember that in the end this is just a signal that it might fail, so please make sure that you have been prepared for the losses and don't be surprised if the signal failed, because again my friends, it's always an option. However, what can we expect now with the gold in the upcoming days? Now let me just tell you guys something from my point of view. If we switch right now to the weekly chart, sorry, I mean to the daily chart, weekly, I think, yeah, weekly chart. Now, if we check the Fibonacci retracement, and I have actually explained how to use this way of the Fibonacci in other videos on my channel. If you check the last pulse right here in the market, and you just draw your Fibonacci retracement from this level right here to this level, now we can notice that the gold has indeed reached Fibonacci 261.8 retracement. And that's really interesting. It tells us that the gold right now, for the second week in a row, because right here, of course, it has reversed. So the last week it has reversed, I mean 2 weeks ago it has reversed, and then the last week it has also reversed right from the same level. So that's really interesting. So now for the next week, or actually for the upcoming week, now we can expect another bearish movement to happen on the gold, but not for so long. The gold right now is just reversing because it's actually on Fibonacci 261.8. Now by moving to the daily chart, now we can see right here that we have of course a pattern of double top. Now again, I'm not saying that the gold will drop at all. I'm just saying it's gonna make a correction, and after that it will continue the rise, just like what happened right here and right here. However, the gold will continue the rise, but now for the upcoming days we actually can look for shorting it until it reach a certain level that I will explain later. Now moving to the 4-hour time frame. Now let's study the 4-hour time frame here because it's really interesting. Now guys, if you remember me in the past, I have explained to you about the critical prices for the gold. For example, in the past we used to say that the price of 1900, 1800, 1700, these levels are critical, especially of course 2000. These prices right here are critical prices. Once the gold reach any of these prices, it's gonna make a huge reversal, and of course it will be a resistance or a support. Now what happened later here is that we have reached 2400. So that is actually the bracket of 2400. Now check this out. Every single time the market actually broke out from the price of 2400, it has made a bearish fall instantly, and the gold has been dropped for about almost 1000 pip right after reaching 2400. Keep going it. And again, we had here another bullish breakout from 2400, and again it has been followed later with a strong red candle. And again, we have here another, I think 500 pips if I'm not mistaken, 416 pips. So the idea here is that 2400 is indeed a critical level for the gold. Now what's happening here is that if we separate these levels from to be a real level of resistance and a fake breakouts, now we can see that right here we had of course the fake breakout from that level, then a real level of a resistance, and again a drop happened right here on the same level of a real resistance. So the gold has also been dropped exactly on the same price, and then again right here the gold dropped again. So therefore there is a lot of a strong resistance happening right here at 2400. So that means that most likely, since we're having here a real level of a resistance has been respected, and we are having here the pattern of a double top candles, that means that most likely now the gold will continue the fall to reach that level of a support only at 2344. Now, why right here? Why is this going to be our take profit level, and why not more than that? Well, let me just show you something. If we zoom out like this, and we highlight the highest level of course of a resistance, which is right here, and if we connect it all the way right here to the other levels of a support trend line, as we can see right there and right there, that means now if we are looking for a correction in the market and we are going to short the gold on this level of a resistance, it most likely gonna continue to fall till it reach also the edge of that support trend line, plus of course the previous level of a support right there. So therefore setting our take profit level to be lower than 2,344 is not really a smart idea. So therefore, I would highly recommend to just continue selling the gold until it reach 2,344, aiming at around 470 pips of profit. Now the question is, where exactly we can start shorting it? The answer lies on the highest level of a real resistance, which is going to be 2,402.34. We actually can sell the gold sooner than that. I mean, maybe it's better right there. Maybe it's better right here, sorry, yes. That's actually going to be a better level to short the gold at 2,398.13. Expect, my friends, a drawdown for around, let me just see how many pips is that. Almost 200 pips at 2,418. That's of course going to be our safe zone. And again, the take profit level will be right here at the previous level of a support. So meaning we will actually be aiming more than that. We will be aiming 540 pips of profit against 2,000 pips of a safe zone. Let me now please write this signal for you. And there you have it. This is your signal for the gold, and I really hope it will go well and will be in a good profit. And again, guys, we're looking forward to have you in our free group of Telegram to receive any updates or notifications about this signal, plus of course receiving one free signal every day on our free group of Telegram. And again, make sure to join the real and original group of Telegram, because again, my friends, I have been shocked recently with the number of fake groups pretending to be extreme trader using our name and logo. That's the reason now I have to warn everybody in every video about it, because every day we're having some victims in messaging us, telling us, I thought these guys were you, I thought they are extreme trader, I have sent them money. We don't receive money from anybody, guys. We don't ask you to send money at all to a trader or to manage your account. We never do that. Always be sure to contact us through our real and authentic channel, which is right here, Extreme Trader Signals on Telegram. So again, guys, we're looking forward to have you there. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.